Hey there. If you're watching this, maybe things feel really hard right now. Your partner used to want you, but now sex feels like it never happens. Or when you try, they pull away. It hurts a lot. You might feel rejected, lonely, confused, even wonder if they still love you or find you attractive. First, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. This is super common in long relationships. It doesn't always mean the love is gone. Often it's stress, tiredness, unspoken hurts, hormone changes, or just life getting in the way. You're not alone, and it's okay to feel sad about it. Today, I want to share a few gentle ways to start bringing back that spark, without pressure, without forcing anything. These are small, kind steps that help desire grow naturally again. Tip 1. Start with emotional closeness, not sex. Many times, low interest in sex comes from feeling emotionally far apart. So try this. Spend 10 to 15 minutes every day just talking, really listening. No phones, ask simple questions like, "What made you smile today?" or "What's been hard for you lately?" Hold hands or cuddle while you talk. Touch without expecting sex. This builds trust and safety, and desire often follows safety. Tip 2. Stop the pressure game. When one person always asks for sex and the other says no, it creates a chase that kills excitement. Try this instead. Take sex completely off the table for 1 to 2 weeks. Talk about it together first. Focus only on fun, loving touch. Massages, kisses, hugs, playing with hair. No goal. Just enjoy being close. Very often, when the pressure disappears, the wanting comes back. Tip 3. Bring new energy and playfulness. After years together, things can feel boring or routine. Small changes help. Send a sweet, flirty text during the day. Can't stop thinking about your smile. Try a new place to kiss or touch, the kitchen, couch, shower. Share one small fantasy or something you'd like to try. Keep it light and curious. Little sparks of newness wake up the body and mind. Tip 4. Take care of your own body and energy. Desire needs energy. Help your partner and yourself by reducing stress together. Walks, better sleep, less screen time before bed. Also, check health gently. Low energy or libido can come from hormones, medicines, or tiredness. A kind doctor visit can help. Tip 5. Be patient and kind to each other. This doesn't fix overnight. Celebrate small wins, a longer hug, a flirty look, a real talk. Say thank you when they open up. Love and gentleness heal faster than pushing. If you want more step-by-step help, deeper ways to talk about desire, fix communication, and bring back passion without shame, I really like the expert courses on climax.how. They have over 150 hours of shame-free, world-class content from sexologists and specialists, perfect for couples navigating this. Check it out here, link in the description. It's a gentle, safe place to learn together or alone. You're taking a brave step just by watching this. Things can get better. You deserve a loving, exciting connection. Take it slow. You've got this. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more real talk intimacy tips, and turn on notifications. You've got this. Your relationship can feel good again. See you next time.